Hello everyone, I'm Chef David. Welcome. We're here from Great Events Catering. Today, as part of Mango Fest, we are going to make a Thai-inspired mango salad. So part of our mango salad, what we have here, we have two different kinds of mangoes. You have what is called a honey mango, and what you'll find, there's a huge difference, and we'll get to that in a second. And we have a very, very regular, traditional mango. You'll find these all over the place. Being that we're in the middle of mango season, these things are everywhere right now on the trees. All right. As you can see with the baskets, or with the two mangoes in the basket, there's a definitive size difference. So when we cut this thing open, we're going to cut on the side, open it up. So there's a giant pit in the middle of this. Whereas this one here, the pit is much, much smaller. So same coloring. I'm going to pull them aside here so that way you can see. So you have roughly the same coloring, same texture, same consistency. These honey mangoes though, they are just much, much sweeter. So the Brix content in them is just almost twice as much as what's in these regular mangoes. All right, so what we have here on our board, we have some baby kale, we have some toasted cashews, we have a couple of hot pepper rings, so red peppers, habaneros, scotch bonnets, Thai bird chilies. We have some kaffir lime leaves that we got from the Audubon house. Thank you, Tim. And we have some chili morita here, which is just a bit of smoked chili. We also have a little bit of cilantro just for the top at the very end. Some very, very traditional toasted sesame oil. A couple limes, just so that way we can squeeze all this in. So what we're going to do is we're going to let the mangoes make their own dressing. So, being that we already started with these, we'll go ahead and we'll start with what we have here. So, for these honey mangoes, the easiest way to do this is we're going to take a spoon, we're going to slide the spoon right on the inside of them. You can use a knife, but there seems to be so much more loss when you use a knife. So you'll just take it, you just slide the mango right in, or slide the spoon right on the bottom. You get all of the skin, it's thick enough to be able to hold it, and all of the meat comes right out. Same with the big mango. We're just gonna slide the spoon right in there. So now that we've chopped up all the mangoes, sliced everything on a bias, some big heavy pieces in it, you can already start to see like some of the mangoes the juices are starting to show up and things like that. So what we have here, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna add some of our baby kale. Make sure you wash your vegetables. We don't want too much baby kale in here, just because the salad is all about the mango, it's not about the kale. So throw the kale in there. We get a handful of cashews. This is going to provide it with that crunch that we are looking for. Next, a little salt and pepper, because everything always tastes better with a little salt and pepper. We're going to give it a little, couple fingerfuls of chili morita. So what you have here, you're going to have something that smells really, really nice and light and fresh. All right. Once all those ingredients are in there, we're going to go ahead and mix it all around. You can smell the mangoes, you can smell the chili. It's starting to come together. So, next, it's going to get a squeeze of lime. And this is going to help everything break down a bit. So, and it's going to brighten everything up as it goes along. Continue to mix this around. I'm going to throw some kaffir lime leaves in there. Just chop these up really nice and fine. Those go in there. It's going to get just some rough chopped cilantro. You want it to be kind of big pieces, so because it's part of the freshness of the salad. These are going to go in there as well. And there you have it. So what we have here, folks, we are almost finished. So you have your mangoes, your kale, your cilantro, some toasted cashews. All we're going to do to dress this up a little bit, we have some toasted sesame oil. We're just going to take a little tiny bit of the sesame oil, we're going to drizzle it over the top. And we're just going to add a couple of these hot pepper rings. What this is going to do, it's going to add that extra spice that you need. So with the mangoes being very, very sweet, nice and chilled, So you're gonna get the spicy heat that goes with it, and this should really, really play well with it. So, and there we are. Kale and mango salad, toasted cashews with sesame and lime. Enjoy, folks. Appreciate it.